turn in your assignments to me, you're going to have to first take a screenshot of your game to show me that the work was done. To do that, we're going to use a snipping tool. This video I'm going to show you how to save that snipping tool in the taskbar for quick and easy access. At the bottom of the screen, click in the search field and choose Snipping Tool. If you don't see it in the list, then go ahead and start typing Snipping Tool. Let's save this for quick access so you don't have to search for it every time you need it. Find this icon down in the taskbar and right-click on the icon and choose Pin to Taskbar. That will keep it here on the taskbar forever so that you don't have to keep searching. To take a screenshot, click the New button, and then we just want the viewport. So drag from the top corner to the bottom right corner, and there's your screenshot. To save it, click the Save icon. Name the file for whatever assignment you're working on, in this case, viewport. Then click the Save button. You can then close the screenshot and minimize your game by pushing the Minimize button that looks like a line. We then need to upload the screenshot to this assignment. So open Clever and sign in to my Canvas class. Go to this assignment page, scroll all the way to the bottom. You might need to click the My Pictures folder on the left side. Then click the file name and open. And when it lets you, click the blue button to submit your screenshot to me.